Hello guys, in this video I'll be teaching how to claim mini Ethereum tokens. All that is required of you is just to follow the step-by-step strategies I'll outline in this video and you can successfully claim it right in your Trust wallet. Okay, before we continue, if you're new to this channel, hit the red subscribe button, like this video and make sure you turn on your bell icon so you get notifications of important videos like this. Okay, the details of this airdrop will be in the video description, so you can just do well to check out in the video description and get the details of this video, like the airdrop links. I'll be dropping it in the video description, or you check our Telegram group. You can get all the details you need for this airdrop in our Telegram group. I'll be dropping the link of the Telegram group also in the video description. Alright, the first thing you need to do is to click on this one that says the apps down here. If you just click on it, then you copy the airdrop link that I dropped in the video description or our Telegram group, then you paste it right in this search bar, then you search. Okay, so you change this Ethereum icon to smart chain because this is under smart chain. Further scroll down a bit, you read about the mini Ethereum token and their pre-sale. So it is newly built on ecological application platform based on Binance Smart Chain. So this is on Binance Smart Chain. Okay, so you can see to claim the airdrop and the pre-sale is currently available now, so and they are live. Okay, so you also stand the chance of getting NFTs on pre-sale as bonus. So we have about 6 days to go and I'm about to claim the total of 20 million mini Ethereum tokens just by clicking on this icon here. So I'll click on it and it's going to load up and bring me to this page. So I'm going to pay the maximum total of $101.68, and the total amount I'm paying for this airdrop is about $1.50, but due to network fee is a maximum total of $1.68. So I'm going to click on this one that says approve right here, and I'm going to put my passcode. Alright guys, after putting my passcode, I just have to scroll down a bit, scroll down till the end and see the details of this token. So the name of this token is Mini Ethereum and the symbol is MET, then the decimal is 18, and this is the total supply of this token. So I'm just quickly going to copy the contract address. So it's copied now, so I will close this page, head back to my wallet, then click on these two dotted lines at my top right corner, paste the wallet I've copied already. Okay, so you click on this one that says add custom token to your Trust wallet. So you just click on it and quickly change this Ethereum icon to BSC because it's built on Binance Smart Chain. So you just click on this one that says paste and the details of the token will appear on its own right here. So you just click on this one that says done at the top right corner. Also, if you click on done, and boom guys, you see that this has been transferred to my wallet. About 20 million mini Ethereum tokens has been transferred to my wallet, and this is how you can claim 20 million mini Ethereum tokens right in your Trust wallet. Okay guys, this is the video I have for you guys for today. Hope you guys really enjoyed it and hope you'll be able to make more money from potential airdrops like this. All you can do for us is to hit that red subscribe button, like this video, make sure to turn on your bell icon so you get notifications of important videos like this. Thank you guys and see you in my next video.